Hello, guys. I want to quickly share this with you for those of you who've been using Google Docs to edit manuscripts for your clients. All right. We basically have two major tools that we use to edit books for clients to see, which is one Microsoft Word, or we use Google Docs. And now there are some mistakes that we find some people make, editors make, which is changing things, deleting things without making the authors know, and all of that. So in this video, you are going to learn how you are going to make sure that the author know what you're doing and not just taking the author by surprise. You understand? So the thing to do here is to make use of suggest changes to make sure that clients see what you're doing. So how to do that is this. You see the top right corner, you are seeing three buttons, right? And that is here. Okay. So what you do when you click on it, you see it shows you print layout, viewing mode, suggest changes. So what do? You click on suggest changes. So when you click on suggest changes, automatically anything you delete or whatever you do, it shows. Okay. So let us say, for example, let's use this introduction. This is my book. I'm using my book because I can't use client's book. All right. So let us say, for example, I want to make changes. I say in 2021, Amazon began to block KDP account that violated their rules and regulations, which includes creating fake accounts, impersonation, the art of using someone else's name to publish, especially if the person is a popular figure. All right. So you look at this. For example, let's say I want to change this word to let's say in 2021 Amazon, instead of using the word began, let's say I want to use the word started. You see, now instead of, if I had not clicked on suggest changes, okay, it would have just gone like that. But now you see that it's telling the client that I am suggesting a change to this manuscript. And now another thing, very, very importantly, you don't suggest a change without giving a comment, without telling the client reasons why you made a change or you are suggesting the change. Okay. So how do you do that? So you simply come to that place that you have made that change. Simply click on it. That began. You see that it will just show. Now you see it shows you the time that the change was made, the time that you suggested it, and all of that. So all you just come to do is to add comments and say replace this because it sounds awkward. I'm just using this for as an example. Do you understand? So not that because it really sounds awkward. All right. So I'm making you I just want you to understand what I'm sharing with you. All right. So then full stop. Then click on the send button, and that's it. You see. So here Daniel says replace began with started. 3 a.m. I said, then the comment was replace this because it sounds awkward. Do you understand? So the client can now, when you are now done, the client can now look. You will send the link. Okay, you send the link of this document. It's just very simple. Okay, you send the link of this document. All right, and send to the client. Then when the client clicks on it and sees it, it will go through the comment that you have made. It just for him or her to just click on the places that you made the suggestion, and you will see the comment. The comment will just show under each of the changes you are making or you are suggesting. If for example you want to add words, you can simply just come and say my mother. Okay, you see my mother. When you click on it, you see it also it tells the client that you are saying had my mother. then you can now write comment. Do you understand? So next time when you want to edit a manuscript for your client, ensure that you turn on the suggest changes button so that your client can see whatever you are doing. This helps your client know what you are doing, and it shows that you are really a professional editor. Okay, don't forget, without a laptop you can edit a manuscript using Google Docs. Do have a great day.